Hey everybody, welcome to Leon's Chainsaw Parts and Repair. I'm hoping this is going to be the last test run for Denny's Homelight Super Easy. This one's been sitting since the weekend. It's Thursday night, so if this thing starts and runs like it should, we've got her. I like the sound of that. Alright, I think this thing is good to go. It's tuned rich, you can see that by the cloud of smoke it's blasting, but I do that to customer saws simply because the fuel mix I use is my 80-to-1 AMSOIL mix, and most folks are using a mix that's about twice that thick. So if I set it a little bit rich, usually that compensates for the extra oil you're going to have in your fuel. The idle is set as low as I could get it and have it run good. Again, with your fuel you may have to just turn the speed up just a smidge, but it started right. It's idling. Even cold, it's idling quite well. Yeah, it hasn't even, I can hold my hand on the muffler so it's barely warm. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get the fuel drained, air this thing out so that I can get it heading back your way.